Heads. Red Rod, you want to go first or second? Second. Brian, you're first. Whatever you want to go. That's it. What'd I tell you guys? Was that one or what? Domestic. Red Rod, make some noise! That's it. Where's Amanda? Amanda, you need to be the judge to shut him down. Wow, you built that in 28 days. Congratulations, a beautiful car. For the import, make some noise. For the domestic, make some noise. That's really close. That's a tie round. That is a tie round. We're going to go 3 rounds with this one. 3 rounds. All right, guys, that means automatic. George, are you ready, baby? George, this is for you. Sam, this is for you. Red Rod, make some noise, go! Import, make some noise! I'm sorry, there is nothing louder than that car. Alright, for the import, make some noise. I never heard anything that loud. That's YouTube that, you're gonna get 1 million hits. For the domestic, make some noise. Took that round. Sorry, man. We got 3 rounds. This is sudden elimination. Let's go. You guys ready? Import. This is your round. You're going to go first. Are you ready? Are you good for a 3rd round? Let's do it. Go. Oh, my Lord. What do you guys think of that? Domestic, make some noise. Import wins that round. My Lord. That car's going to be hard to beat this year. Again. Who's Brian? There's CTS defense in here. Rasa, where are you at?